guys, today I am going to show to you about a simple project regarding to safety awareness. The title given is Zebra Crossing Anti-Blocking System. This project will help to notify the driver of vehicle not to block the zebra crossing line at the traffic light. The components used during this project are such as 9-volt battery, potentiometer, LEDs, 220 ohm resistor, buzzer, connecting wires, and also Arduino Uno. The potentiometer works as an imaginary sensor at the zebra crossing line. Firstly, when the vehicle started to approach the zebra crossing line, the green light or LED will be illuminated. When half of the zebra crossing line is blocked by the vehicle, the blue light will be illuminated. Lastly, when the zebra crossing line is fully blocked by the vehicle, the red light will be illuminated and the buzzer will be activated simultaneously.